Quickly remove brush, stumps, and small trees completely by the roots with the V20 mini skid steer digging tree puller. Built tough for durability and efficiency, it's the ideal mini attachment for navigating small residential yards or confined spaces where access is limited. Now let's dive into the mini tree puller's key features. A digging tree puller loosens soil and cuts through roots, making it easier to pull out larger trees or those with deep roots. This ensures the entire root ball is removed, preventing regrowth. By loosening the soil and roots beforehand, it reduces the force needed to pull a tree. For mini skid steers, which have such limited lift capacity, this is crucial as it prevents overloading the machine. In contrast, a standard tree puller which can't dig or cut may require more lift capacity to pull trees. The jaw opens to 15 inches wide and the base opens to 3 inches for grabbing and stabilizing trees closer to the loader for increased pulling power. The fixed jaw maximizes strength and allows the puller to drive into the ground with ease. It also helps center objects while approaching them. Half-inch thick, serrated jaws with a sharp taper design make it easy to aggressively grip and dig with greater material control and stabilization. The half-inch thick guard is built for durability and safety, featuring angled corners to deflect falling trees away from the loader and operator, ensuring safer operation. Serrations on the guard top and jaw base ensure a secure grip, providing stability for more controlled pulling. The cylinder is protected inside the frame to prevent damage during operation. Plus, the side openings allow for quick cleanout and easy cylinder access. Other tree pullers mount the cylinder on the outside of the puller, where the hoses and cylinder are completely exposed and can get damaged. Carefully routed hoses stay out of the way during operation, ensuring they're safe from potential damage and downtime. Choose from 3 different mounts to match your mini machine. The V20 mini skid steer digging tree puller is a perfect landscaping attachment for operators working in challenging, confined spaces. Whether you're removing trees, stumps, or rocks, the mini skid puller is a versatile and time-saving solution for productive small tree and brush removal. Thanks for watching. Visit Virnig Manufacturing's website to view the full line of attachments for mini skid steers, mini excavators, skid steers, and compact tractors.